Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today we're going to be installing 2 ceiling fans. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I got the fan loose, and now I'm going to disconnect the wires so I can pull it down. Disconnect the power and then the neutral. And then I can unhook it, and that's it. I'm removing the screws so I can take the mounting bracket down. There's our wires. And now I'm going to go get the fan motor and hang it up. And pull these screws out. I'll hang this one in here, and that'll suspend it. I said it's important to put them on the right ones. I actually had the black wire. I had the wires hooked on the wrong one initially, so now I'm putting them on the right one, which is you put the black and the blue on the load, and you put the white on the neutral, because the blue is the light and the black is the motor. And now they're wired up, and I can attach these up now. Get these up out of the way, and I can attach this. No, the fan motor is secure. Now I'll pull these screws out, because this is going to hold the shroud on. And of course, this is why I could not put the fan blades on initially, because I had to get this shroud on. Other types of fans, you can actually put the whole fan together before you slip it up on there, because it attaches different, and you're able to put all the fan blades on. But in this case, it's a little bit different. Okay, all done. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay, now we're starting the second one. And again, when you're working with electricity, you need to either, if it's a plug or something that's hardwired, you need to turn the power off at the circuit panel or a sub panel. And in this case, since it's just a ceiling fan and light, I can turn the switch off. And that kills the power generally it kills the power at the box. But in this case, it does. I've disconnected the wires, and I'm going to remove it. There, that's better. Okay, I got the bracket up, and now I can put the fan together and I'll hang it. Okay, the homeowner said that she wanted this out. You can on these you can either choose white, or they have two different sides you can use, and she chose this side, so that's the side we're going to put up. This has a little, you can look at this body right here, and this has a little square knockout right here, and that hooks right here on this hook, so you don't have to hold this while you're wiring it up. We have a black wire and a blue wire. The blue wire is for the light and the black wire is for the motor. But since we only have one power on, and because there's only one switch, we're going to hook the motor and the light together to our black power. Make sure they're in there good, and they are. And then of course the white, which is the neutral, we're going to hook that to the neutral on the light, or in the box. And of course there's no ground wire in this. This is an old house, and this circuit is not grounded, so we're not going to worry about the ground since it's not grounded. Well, I can just loosen these up. And this one needs to be loosened. Not all the way out, but this one back here I need to take all the way out. And to fit that in, I'll line this up. There, got them all out. Then I twist it, and they're all lined up. Now I'll pick up that screw I dropped, and I'll put that one in first. And then I'll tighten the rest of these up. And that's it. The fan motor is installed. Now I can install the shroud. And this shroud, it has these little studs sticking out with these rubber cushions on them, and they'll fit right inside these slots right here, and twist it, and that's what holds it on. Just like that. And if you ever need to take it off, you just turn it, it'll come right off. Pretty nifty. And now I'll put the fan blades on. Now with this light kit, this fan, you can use this fan without a light or with a light. If the customer wanted it without the light, then I would have not have connected the blue wire when I connected it inside the box, because the blue wire was for this light. But since we're going to use a light, we need to remove this cap. Of course, the cap is not going to be used, so we've got this light kit that's going to go in place of that cap. So we need to plug in the light. And plug in power. And then this has a little notch in it, And you actually line this notch up with this control button right here, so it'll slide up in there, right like that. So anyway, I'm getting my screws ready. All right, now I'm going to flip the switch on. And we got lights. That was it. We got the fan and light going, and the customer's happy. And if you learned something here and it's been if it's helped you, if the information has helped you, please hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today I'm going to be installing 2 ceiling fans. So thanks for watching.
Don't say that part.
Oh,
Just say
let's do it again. Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today I'm going to be installing 2 ceiling fans. If I can get out of here. This is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today I'm going to be installing 2 ceiling fans. Let's get started.
Watch out!
Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today I'm going to be installing 2 ceiling fans. Okay, let's get started. This is alive. A nice fan, nice cool breeze.